The Honor X9c is a feature-rich mid-range smartphone designed to deliver a blend of performance, durability, and style. Launched in late 2024, the device stands out with its robust build quality, offering IP65 water and dust resistance, and a unique ability to withstand drops from heights of up to 2 meters. This makes it an excellent choice for users who prioritize durability in their smartphones without compromising on advanced features. The Honor X9c is equipped with a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED display that supports a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring vibrant visuals and a seamless user experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, which is paired with up to 12 GB of RAM to handle intensive tasks and multitasking with ease. It also offers up to 512 GB of internal storage, providing ample space for apps, photos, and videos. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the powerful camera setup, which features a 108MP main sensor with optical image stabilization for sharp and detailed shots, complemented by a 5MP ultra-wide lens for capturing expansive landscapes or group photos. This versatile camera system ensures excellent results in various lighting conditions and scenarios. The Honor X9c is powered by a cutting-edge 6,600 mAh silicon carbon battery, which not only provides extended usage time but also supports 66W fast wired charging for quick top-ups. This ensures the device can keep up with the demands of a busy lifestyle. On the software front, the smartphone runs on Android 14 with Magic OS 8, offering an intuitive and feature-rich interface that enhances productivity and entertainment. The Honor X9c represents a perfect balance of resilience, performance, and innovation, making it a standout choice in the competitive mid-range smartphone market.